students, please open your Sanskrit book, page number 41. Okay. So today we are going to start from question number 4. So let's see what it is written. Rewrite these sentences by using the word momo. That means this sentence you have to write again, but instead of tobo you have to write momo. So before writing this you have to know what is the meaning of tobo and what is the meaning of momo. Okay, so tobo meaning is your, okay, and momo means mine. Tobo means your, that means tomar, and momo means mine, that means amar. So instead of your you have to put here mine. তার মানে কি তোমার জায়গায় আমার বসিয়ে সেন্টেন্সটাকে আবার লিখতে হবে। সো লেটস সি ফার্স্ট ওয়ান ক তব পুস্তকম अस्ति. It is already done by them only. So let's see তব পুস্তকম अस्ति. See, instead of তব I circle it, you have to write momo. momo pustakam asti. No need to circle. I did this circle so you can understand easily. For that reason I just circle it so that you can see nicely where you have to put momo. That's why. So taba pustakam asti, you have to write here momo. So momo pustakam asti. So this is your book. Now if I put momo, this is my book. Now tobo griham atra asti. Okay, here is your house, so we have to write here is my house. So momo griham atra asti. Okay, now next one tobo mata kutra gacchati. Where is your mother going? Now you have to write where is my mother going. So momo mata kutra gacchati. Now next one esah taba anujah patati. This is your younger brother is reading. Now you have to write this is my younger brother is reading. So esah momo anujah patati. Don't give halant in momo. momo তো কেউ হসন্ত দেবে না, কেউ বিসর্গ দেবে না, because this pronunciation is momo. What? momo, not mom. If I say mom, then you have to give halant. If I say momoho, then you have to give visarga. But I am telling momo, not momoho, not mom, only momo. So momo means no halant, no visarga. And before last day also I told you that about this song, you know, momo chitte niti nitte. So momo means mine. momo chitte niti nitte, that song you know na? If you don't know, then see from YouTube. Okay, so momo means mine. Esaha momo anujah patati. Now next one yam nadi asti. Sorry, see the question first. Yam ka asti. By see the picture you have to write the answer. Answer the following question according to the picture. So yam ka asti, yam nadi asti. Instead of ka we have to write the answer. So you know that when you are writing the answer, you are writing the WH word in English. What is your name? What? This one is WH word. Am I right? WH word means starting from WH. So what is your name? When we are writing the answer, my name is Sangeeta. So instead of what, we are writing the answer. No need to write WH word in answer. Am I right? In English. So as same as in Sanskrit, which are the WH word? This ka, kim, kaha, ko, those things are WH word, like WH word. Because by this only we are making questions. So yam ka asti, no need to write this ka. Instead of ka we have to write the proper answer, and other thing will be as it is. So yam nadi asti. Now idam kim asti, idam pustakam asti. See the picture. Ayam kaha asti. Ayam is masculine gender. Meaning is this. This this. Ayam means this this in masculine gender. Idam meaning also this but in neuter gender. And iam meaning also this but in feminine gender. Nadi feminine gender, okay? And Nod masculine gender. So Nadi, Ganga, Nadi feminine gender, okay? So Ayam kaha asti? Ayam balakaha asti. This is the boy, that's why Ayam balakaha asti. So instead of kaha we are writing balakaha. Now come to next para. Next line. Te ke staha, te pushpe staha. Two flowers are there, that's why pushpam, pushpe. Tat, te. So te pushpe staha. Why staha? Osti staha santi. Osti staha santi. So staha, divachanam staha. So te pushpe staha. Okay. Tau kau staha. Tau kapotau staha. Why here te and why here tau? Tau in masculine gender. Shaha tau, masculine gender. Shaha means he, you know that. So shaha tau te. This is masculine gender. And in masculine gender, at the end also we are getting te, but this one plural form. Okay. But in neuter gender, tat te tani. Tat te tani. So we are getting te in divachan, in neuter gender. That's why in flower is neuter gender, pushpam is neuter gender, that's why te. And this is masculine gender, kapotaha, that's why tau. And these are the girls, feminine gender, that's why sha te. So te. Divachan na, that's why te. That means these two, those, this is far one. So those two meaning are same, but genders are different. Neuter gender, masculine gender, feminine gender. Te ke staha, te pushpe staha. Tau kau staha, tau kapotau staha. Kapotau, kapotaha, kapotau. You know that things. So kapotau, tau kapotau staha. Te ke staha. Te balike staha. Like lata, late, lataha. Again, lata, late, lataha. Balika, balike, balikaha. So two, that's why balike. Balika, balike. So that's why balike. Te balike staha. Sa te, that's why te. Te balike staha. Osti staha na, that's why staha. Te balike staha. Now next one. Te balaha santi. Te ke santi. Plural form, that's why santi. Te ke santi. Te balaha santi. Kaha kau ke, masculine gender. All are boys. Te balaha santi. Taha kaha santi. See, there is one mistake. They forget to give visarga. Please give this visarga. This is the mistake. Okay. Correct in your book. Give one visarga, then it will be correct. Taha kaha santi. Taha chatokaha santi. Chatoka, chatoke, chotoka. So feminine gender, bahuvachanam. And sa te taha. So this is also bahuvachanam. So taha chatokaha santi. Tani kani santi. Neuter gender, falani. So tani falani santi. Tat te tani. So tani. Tani falani santi. Okay, and this one. Saha tau te. Saha tau te. Plural form, masculine gender, plural form. So te balaha santi. This much only your today's CW. Now I am going to say about your project. Today I gave your project also, midterm project also in another assignment. Okay. You will see what is your project. Your project is body parts. That means Sorirasya Angyani. In your book, page number 31, you can get. I gave one picture. That one actually last year one of our student did, and That was a beautiful picture. That's why we arrange one exhibition also. That time we show that that one. So which are the best we are collecting and we are keeping with us when we are having organized one exhibition. That time we are showing the best one. So try to best. We'll collect if your one best. Like which picture I gave, that one best, and one more are there. So I cannot give two pictures, that's why I given one only. Two we give in exhibition, so only one I gave the picture to you. So like this, try to do it, okay? And before the date of 24, you have to submit, okay? 24, not before the 24, 24 up to 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. your time to submit. So last date 24 10 p.m. একদম টাইম ধরে জমা দেবে, ঠিক আছে? And where you have to submit, where I discuss about the project, in this assignment only you have to submit. অন্য কোনো অ্যাসাইনমেন্টে জমা দেবে না। যে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের আন্ডারে আমি প্রজেক্ট সম্পর্কে আলোচনা করেছি শুধুমাত্র সেই অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের আন্ডারেই জমা দেবে। আর যারা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে বা কমেন্ট সেকশনে জমা দেবে তাদেরটা ক্যান্সেল করা হবে, ওকে? So where I given the instruction about the project, only there only you have to submit. Please follow the instruction, otherwise your project will be cancelled. Like exam time, where you submit your answer, where teacher given the question, there only, am I right? So here also where I discuss about the project, there only you have to submit your project, okay? Thank you. This much only your today's work.